2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic by the Rolling Stones, Dead Flowers. Fantastic song. And also, we only have 3 chords. No bar chords, nothing like that. Alright, let's go. We're in standard tuning. The song is in D major. 1, 2, 3. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. So the verses goes like this. Every verse, and then the chorus, take me down. A major, take me down. I know everything. A to D. G major. To the flowers in the morning. C, G, G. Stay on the ear. So that ending was D to A, G to D. So that's all the parts we have for this song. It's the verses and the chorus. All right, let's do a verse again. D, A. Let's go. A major, That's all the parts. Fantastic tune. All right, let's review everything. We got 2 parts. It's in standard tuning. Song is in D. Verses D, A, G, D. Over and over and over. And then the chorus starts in A to D. A to D 2 times. And then G to D, G to D, G to D 3 times. And you hold a little longer there on the D. D to A to G to D. Awesome. See you guys tomorrow. Be safe. Take care. Thank you for tuning in.